Bird and Kip, Episode 29. Looking for Kip, looking for Bird. Bird was looking for Kip. Kip was looking for Bird. Bird looked near the giant rock first. Then she looked near the playground.
Where is Kip?
She wondered. Kip looked near the playground first. Then he looked near the giant rock.
Where is Bird?
He wondered. Bird saw Mouse.
Have you seen Kip?
Asked Bird.
Yes, I have.
Said Mouse.
I saw Kip near the giant rock.
Kip saw Squirrel.
Have you seen Bird?
Asked Kip.
Yes, I have.
Said Squirrel.
I saw Bird near the playground.
Kip went back to the playground. He didn't see Bird. Bird went back to the giant rock. She didn't see Kip.
Oh, well.
Said Kip.
I'll go to the aquarium by myself. Oh, well.
Said Bird.
I'll go to the aquarium by myself.